Everybody, yeah, it's the morning after Thanksgiving, or the afternoon now. So I'm still in my nightgown. Let me make sure the girls aren't out. No, I'm playing. Yeah, so I got my package today. I am so excited because I was wondering when it's going to come today because it said it would be here today. And I got an alert. I checked my email and it said your package is near the door. So I'm so excited. I got my electric burner, portable burner. Yeah, so anyways, I'm just happy because it's just something that I want, and I like to do my crazy food videos, and I'm one of those type of people with just a little bit of a foodie in me. And yeah, so we all need to eat. No, so I did get a frying pan from Marshall's also, and yeah, so I'll show you what I got, and I will be doing a recipe and trying this out for the first time. I'm not going to use it until probably Tuesday or Wednesday when I do figure out what I want to cook and upload a video and try it out with whoever wants to join me. So let's get into this and let's unbox it. Okay, this is the pan I picked up. It's a stainless steel pan, and Viking's pretty good. You know, it's a pretty good product and or company. And yeah, so I found this at Marshall's, and it's really weird. They didn't have no stainless steel the week before whatsoever. And I was going to order one online. Amazon does have one, but I don't think it's 3-ply. Maybe it is, but I looked at the reviews and I just didn't want to buy it because of a few of the reviews. Not all of them were bad, but you know, you had a few that were saying some things that I felt I was concerned about because you're ordering something offline and stuff like that. So, you know, not knocking them because there was good stuff and bad stuff. You know, reviews are going to be, you're going to have your good ones and your bad ones. So I just felt going to Marshall's and finding something that you're familiar with as far as, you know, a brand, you know, it's good to go that route as far as, you know, my opinion, when you just don't know about something. And you can't always go off reviews either. So with that being said and done, this is a 10-inch pan, and that's what I needed. So I didn't want anything too big or too small, and that's the size I was looking for. So I paid $24.99 for this, which it's a pretty good price. And if you look online, it's going to probably be around the same, you know, price. It's not going to be too much more or too much less with whatever you're looking for. So yeah, so the 5-ply, I do have a stainless steel wok. It's not a traditional one, I don't think, because it's stainless steel and it's this color. And you don't season it. It's not seasoned, and it'll never be seasoned because it's basically stainless steel that's made just to be like this pan here. But it's the best wok I ever had. The handle fell off. I'm going to have someone attach a new handle. But yeah, so I was happy with that. And I've had it for years. And yeah, so I wanted to get another stainless steel pan because I lost a lot of stuff in a fire a couple of years ago, maybe 3 or 4 years ago, going on that. Yeah, so I got this. I can't wait to try it out. And here we go. This is the box that's my, let me see here. I want to see if I could just pull this off because sometimes you can't. No. Okay, so let's just do this. I think this is the top. Let me see here. Yeah, I'm going savage style, okay? I don't feel like peeling this off. Sometimes the seal, it'll come right off, and sometimes it don't. So I'm prepared with a little butter knife here. Yeah, so let's see what's in here. I want to see how big it is and how heavy it is, and I'm kind of really interested. Ooh, do I got something black on my arm? Oh, that's from the makeup last night. Oh, and I did get some little feed for my pet, my rescue pet, so that's in there too, right on. I didn't even check that. All right, so the Elite Gourmet Electric Single Burner. That looks good. Ooh, it feels good. It feels heavy because I didn't want anything too light, you know, because it's going to be swishing around and stuff. Like when you're cooking, if you put the pan on, like it might move. So that's what my biggest fear was. Like it's going to feel like it's, you know, not heavy enough. Ooh, and not good quality, but it feels like a heavy package. Here. So here's the box. And this is just going to tell you all about it on the back. Like, you know, non-skid feet, you know, 6-inch cooking area, the heating indicator light, heat distribution, and all that stuff. And, you know, what it's good for as far as, you know, the spaces, saves energy, great for this and that, you know, your basics. So, here we go. Let's get into this. All right, so here is the flat burner. This is going to be what you're going to read, the guide. So important safeguards, short cord purpose. Okay, polarized plug, blah, blah, blah. I'll read that later, see what I could get out of that. As far as, you know, being safe, not burning my fingers, and knowing how to plug it in. No, I'm playing. Okay, so caution, hot surface. Okay, so yeah. So under here, I believe there's a coil. Just like a regular coil burner maybe, or something. I'm not sure, but it feels pretty good. And this works with all and or most cookware. So that's why I got this, because I think induction, I think it's called induction burners. I think they need a specific certain type of cookware. If I'm not correct, forgive me. But I know there's only certain ones you could use with that. So that's why I didn't get something like that. So this, I could use whatever I want and just toss it on there, turn it on. Yeah, so. All right. And I'm sorry, I'm not really familiar with I think it's induction burners. I'm not familiar because I have never used one. And, you know, it is what it is. So if I'm butchering that name, and if that's not what they're called, I'm just not familiar with them whatsoever. Never used one. Yeah, so anyways, never needed to know how to say it. Yeah, so here we go. Oh, it's got your switch right here, and I guess this is what comes on when, you know, you have it on. Your heat indicator light. And yeah, so this feels really nice. It feels good quality. It feels pretty heavy. And yeah, I can't wait to check it out. So I'm going to be checking this out Tuesday or Wednesday, because I got to figure out what I want to cook on it. And I just want to do a recipe and give this a whirl. And then see, you're just going to set your pan like that. Boom. And turn it on. I'm going to have a new little setup, and I'll be cooking something up. And the reason why I'm doing this is because, once again, if you haven't seen my videos, or if you have, my pan that I had was really worn out, and it was just time to update, because it's unhealthy for you when, like, your non-stick pans actually wear down. So, I got stainless steel because actually it's more healthy for you to cook with. And that's really why I wanted it. So that's why I chose this. Yeah, and that's the only reason why. And then I was due for a new pan, because the one I've been using for my cooking videos, I've been using it over and over again. And the pan actually worked good still, but I just felt it was unhealthy because it was wearing down as far as the non-stick. And that's not good for you if anybody doesn't know. Yeah, so I went with stainless steel because I feel it's a more healthier way to cook. And this is what my family's always cooked with. And yeah, and cast iron or stainless steel is what my mom always used. And I've always used. And I just got that other pan because it was a great deal at Walmart. And it was just, you know, an electric pan. So it worked. It did it ran its course. It did its job, and I have nothing bad to say about it because it lasts me a long time. But when it comes down to it, your health is most important. And that's really what I was thinking about when I was getting stainless steel. Yeah. So anyways, check those videos out. Like, what's the best thing to cook with as far as for your inner health and cooking. And they have a lot of those videos out there, and you'll know what I'm talking about if you don't already. Yeah. So anyways, I can't wait to try this out. And I will see you in my next upload, and I'll be cooking something up and trying it out for the first time.